Hello everyone, as to my humble self, Chukwuka Obelago, and I am addressing the Billion Coin community. Okay, in this video, I just want to show you guys the activities going on in my wallet right after I received my send button. Okay, and it's been pretty exciting because it opened the opportunity for us to offer e-commerce service to the Billion Coin community, thereby giving birth to the Billion Coin Mart. Okay, we are not yet there with 100% TBC, but most of the ebooks, all the ebooks are available for purchase with full TBC, while every other item, including mobile phones, accessories, fashion accessories, okay, are pegged at 50% TBC, 50% fiat currency. Okay, all right. I know most people have purchased with 50% fiat currency, 50% TBC, but I know majority of people are waiting for when will we accept full TBC. Okay, so if you want to spend your TBC, okay, you can go buy some books for yourself right on our store. We are planning to add more inventory, more ebooks where you can shop with 100% TBC, more products that you, especially electronics, where you can spend 50% cash, 50% TBC. Okay, so it's a work in progress. Okay, so if you have a send button, because the admin in his last post this morning stated that he turned on 1,400 and something send button. So if you are among watching this video and you're among those who have a send button, okay, you can head over to Google Play Store for Android devices to download the Billion Coin Mart. Okay, MART, the Billion Coin Mart. Download it on your phone. Then from there you can easily shop. Okay, I've done a video before on how the process works from when you place your order to when you make your payment. Okay, all right. So you can see from this from the history of my wallet that I have received a lot of payments for goods and services, and you can see some of the transactions that I did when I sold my TBC thanks to my partners. I've paid out over the weekend, and now I've paid out $200 in commission to my partners, both in Liberia, my partner in Liberia, and my partner in US. Okay, so more and more partners trying to refer people to buy TBC from me. Okay, so if you want to be part of my team, okay, and help get more people to purchase TBC and earn 50% commission, there's a link below for the WhatsApp group where you can join and make some money for yourself. Okay, so there is lots of opportunity with TBC. The only thing is you letting go of the mentality of using send button, using migration as an excuse, to partnering with those who know what they are doing. Okay, it's pretty simple. So I just want to show you guys the transactions going on my wallet to inspire you to know that things are happening in TBC, that we are not stuck. Okay, now people are shopping with their TBC, people are buying TBC. Okay, so after watching this video, if you want to partner with me or buy TBC from me, there are links below where you can do such. Also subscribe to this channel so that you get video updates whenever I release a video. Okay, all right, so watch out for my next video, because I'm going to do a really exciting experiment that you guys will love, and also make you guys understand what TBC really is and where it's heading. Okay, all right, to my next video, take care, bye for now.